Hello, welcome to another traveling Costa Rica video. Guys, today we're out, I don't want to say in the middle of nowhere. We're out in the country though. We just came from Santa Teresa, that direction, and we're going this direction. I actually kind of don't know where I am. We're just kicking it down the roads. This is our 8th stop, I think, on this Moto BC tour. And fortunately, a gentleman stopped and helped me. When we left Santa Teresa, we just started heading north, guys. We went through some pretty cool beaches. I saw Playa Manzanillo, and then I just started following the road north, and this is what it looks like the entire way. There was a couple river crossings that I had to do in the Moto BC, and apparently there's another one up ahead. Now, a gentleman stopped and helped me, and he said, I'm like, hey man, I need to find gas. And he goes, yeah, stop at this place. The Indian Pearl Jungle Bar. So that's what this place is. So we're gonna go in there and check this place out real quick. Apparently they sell fuel. The guy said he has a bit of fuel. And some food, casado. Hola, man. Oh, hola. What's that? Oh, gracias. So guys, here's what we're doing. We're doing casado on the way up. You got it covered for me. So once I'm gonna eat, and then we're gonna head and continue trying to get to where I'm going, man. I don't even know where I'm going. All right, guys, I just had breakfast, so that was delicious casado. So I got casado and 2 liters of fuel for the BC Moto. There's the Chariot. The Chariot has been fueled up to the tip. It was 13 bucks, thereabout. 13 bucks. So I'm gonna show you guys on the map actually where we are. Now that I've been fed, I realize what I should be doing in these videos. All right, guys, so if you've been following the Moto BC tour, you know that we're down here at the southern end of the Nicoya Peninsula. This is where we started the tour, down in Santa Teresa here, and we continued north along the coast all the way through Manzanillo here. Saw the videos there. Now, this is where it got interesting. I headed up this way, and I went by this airport here, and you'll see in the middle of the screen right there, Ruta Secundaria 160. I took that route, and that's where I did the first river crossing, and then continued along, and we're right here. So we're going that way, guys, and I can assure you that it is as hot as it looks out. It looks hot, it is hot. My goodness, man, I'm just guzzling water. This is a cool place though, I like it. So if you're down here, come check it out. And while I was here, I mean, there was just some motorcycles here, but looks like an ATV tour pulled up. So I don't know where this ATV tour would have come from. There was a bunch of people that got out on an ATV tour. So if you've been here, let me know. But this is a great spot to know because they have fuel and they have great food. So let's continue on and approach the river. I want to film going across that river there. All right, guys, we made it to the river crossing. There's some shots of the road. I drove probably like 5 minutes to get here. I forget the name of this river. Let's go check out where we got to go, though. Look at this guy. This guy's got an actual sport bike. He's going to try to cross. This is a Tonka truck. He's good. So what are we doing here? Oh, so Tonka truck's just ripping it. And I actually did previously see a motorcycle in the scoop of a Tonka truck. That was funny. That's probably the driest way to get across if you're on a motorcycle. There you go, this guy's just ripping it. I hope my car ain't, I hope my Chariot. Call him Chungus for now. Call him Chungus. I think I'm gonna cross over here. And guys, look at this. This is the value of having these water shoes. I talk about these water shoes in every video. You just throw these on when you gotta do river crossings. If you get stuck, you gotta go push or something like that. I think it's the best right here. I think I'm going to come maybe over here, though. It might be good. I don't know yet. Apparently there are crocodiles in this water when it's deeper. Oh, look, there's some horses. Some majestic horses. They're so grazing in the field. Man, it's so hot, dude, and I'm just been sitting on a Moto BC. Actually, I might come cross up here, dude. This actually looks better. Maybe, yeah, right here to here. That's what we're gonna do, guys. So let's film this absolute abomination, see what it looks like. All right, guys, here we go. Pushing it through in neutral. Yep, the motor's touching. This is a workout in a bit. Yep. These tires are not the best for this purpose. Now, okay, the next one actually looks a bit better. I think I went the wrong kind of orientation there. Oh, this is not too bad. Actually, I spoke too soon. Got to do a mixed grip just for added leverage. And there you have it, guys. There is the BC Moto River Crossing here in Costa Rica. Workout in a bit. Okay, guys, so this is the 8th video in the series. As always, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you get notified we upload a new video. We'll do number 9 soon. I don't know yet where we're going to go. Whew. Let's work out. I need some agua. Okay, guys, thanks again for watching. Bye now.